In this video, I will show you how to change your language in Google Chrome in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and then what you want to do is come across to google.com. Next, in the top right hand corner, you want to click onto the three dots up here, and then come down and click onto settings, which is the third option from the bottom of the list. From here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to click onto languages. Now, if you look at the very top, it's going to say preferred languages. So you've got two options. You've got the language used when translating pages, and the second option, which is what you want to change. So this is the actual language used to display the Google Chrome user interface. So to change this to any language, what you want to do is click onto the Add Languages button up here, and you want to go ahead and choose your language from the list. What you can also do is type this into the search box. So if I wanted to, for example, change this to Spanish, then I would go ahead and type this into the box and select Spanish from the options available. Once that's done, click the blue Add button. And then what you want to do is click on the three dots next to that language and simply tick the box which says Display Google Chrome in this language. And then what you need to do is click the relaunch button, which is going to basically relaunch Google Chrome. And as you can see, everything is now in Spanish. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.